Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a very simple recipe I'll be showing you on this channel that you can do your own Vietnamese rice pepper wraps at your own very kitchen with very low-key ingredients and yet very delicious and healthy. As you can see displayed on your screen, it is very simple, very delicious, and so easy to make. I mean, within few minutes you're done from your kitchen, but yet have a very delicious meal. I'll be using some grounded beef, some avocado for the sauce and the citron for the sauce, and then some broccoli, some white cabbage, some red cabbage, some onion and some carrots, and some habanero pepper as well. I cannot cook my food without this hot part of it. So I'll just be chopping my red cabbage to fit into my food processor. I mean, this delicacy goes very quick because of the food processor, and it makes it so easy to prep my veggies so easily. And then now I'll be chopping my white cabbage as well, just so that it should fit into my food processor. And the next ingredients will be the onion, and I'm also chopping that to fit into my food processor, just so that the blade should be able to pick and capture everything and chop it to my preferred sizes. And now I'll be fixing my broccoli. And for someone who has difficulty eating your vegetables in right quantity, I mean, you should get a food processor that will make it easier for you to eat your veggies. Someone who doesn't like to see veggies in his or her food, this food processor chops it and help you to eat it in a simpler way and yet very delicious and healthy. So you should get one for yourself. So I'll just be preparing my broccoli in this method. Like I said before, when I do it like this, it makes it easier for me to chop the leaves properly. So I'll just be chopping that into my food processor, and the processor is doing its job. It chopped that so finely and so perfectly. This is the first time I'm using this food processor, and I so love it. It makes life so easy and so comfy, I swear. Look at that. I would take ages to take that cabbage to that level. So thanks to the food processor, which makes life more easier to cook good food and delicious with no time. My onion has been well chopped as well. You can see that to very finely chopped, so perfect. And now I'll be chopping my broccoli. Within few minutes everything is done. And then set my white cabbage into the food processor, and it does the same job. Likewise the carrots and the peppers. now all the veggies has been chopped and looking so beautifully well, finely chopped and ready for the processing. So the next step will be to cook everything together and start doing the wraps. And I'll be using my coconut oil, virgin coconut oil. I'll take just 1.5 spoon because the meat itself has already fat in it. I'm using the coconut oil in the first place because I have to fry my onion. Then the next thing will be to put my grounded beef. I decided to use beef for this particular recipe. On a normal note, I don't eat beef so regularly, but in this method, I can use it. I can eat it so good. It is so good. So you can add your preferred seasoning. I just decided to add some black pepper, some chicken bouillon, all-purpose seasoning, citron pepper, and white pepper. Those are basically what I added for my own recipe. You can decide to use your ingredients of choice. It works perfect. Now I realized that pot was very little and I changed into a bigger pot, and this is me with my veggies going in. I'm going in with my carrots and the habanero pepper with some garlic, and then I stir that for like 2 minutes and then add the next ingredient, which is the carrots, the cabbages. So I stirred that again for some few minutes and then added my broccoli. I decided to keep half of the broccoli because I realized it was too much. So I decided to use just half of it on this particular recipe. Then I added a little bit of Greek yogurt just to give that creamy nature, just so that it should be creamy in the infilling when I'm filling into the rice pepper wraps, so that it gives that creamy nature in it. So delicious. Only this is packed with fiber, packed with good stuff. So this is how the rice pepper wraps looks like. Very light, thin, and crunchy. But you need to soak this in warm water for like 15 seconds before you start using it. So this is warm water in this bowl, and I'm just putting all the particular rice pepper wraps into it. And now I just begin the infilling, and there you go. You can decide to use any method. You can do the envelope method, or you use this roll method. It is all depending on you and your preference, so it works perfect as well. So this is just basically it, and that's just all. So it's looking very good. I'm lining that into my onto this tray. I will be setting that into the oven for like 20 minutes. I decided to do it in 2 different ways. I set some in the oven, and then I took some into my air fryer, and both of them taste absolutely delicious after that. So I'll be preparing my sauce while the pepper wraps are in the oven. So the sauce will basically include an avocado, and I'll add some citron, and then I'll add some creme fraiche. I don't know what that is in English, but it serves the same purpose like Greek yogurt. And then I will be adding some citron and then some salt. So this is what I placed in my air fryer, and this one is from the oven. So both of them are looking absolutely stunning and delicious. So you can decide to use any method, it works very well. So continue doing my sauce for the recipe, and I'm using creme fraiche like I said. I'll mix that with avocado and citron and some salt, and it tastes so amazing. Please, if you are watching my video up to this moment and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so to help me grow on this channel and to be able to bring you more healthy recipes like this. I share very beautiful content, good recipes, and now let's take a dive into it. Look at that, yummy, yummy, yummy. Bye.